Really and truly, I'm just doing a voiceover because I can't find any music to go in the background of this video. But anyway, do you guys prefer open abayas or closed abayas? I love this open brown abaya. I feel like it's so casual because I can dress it down underneath or dress it up. But yeah, anyway, and then we've got the linen closed abaya. I don't think they're real linen, but they kind of feel like it. I'm taking the belt off here because I'm not feeling the belt, but love oh sorry, pardon me, just ate some chicken. Love the boxy sleeves, love the slouchy fit, cute. I am part